Now here comes the mouth-watering thing for all the Uniswap lovers and traders. A new tool is basically introduced by the Unimonitor, and by the help of this tool you can find out the best token which is newly listed on the Uniswap and get the desktop notification reminders whenever any new token is going to list on the Uniswap exchange. So it's a great thing which I am going to share with you in this video. Feel uninvited. Now here you can see the entire platform of the Unimonitor, and they already introduced their own token UNT. Now what type of facilities and utilities the Unimonitor team is offering? Basically they can monitor any function calls of any approved smart contract addresses. For example, when the scam on on the Uniswap removes the fund pool, it will call the approval function method of Uniswap UniV2. Then we will monitor him and sell the token in advance. And the third one thing is alerting. Basically they can customize the monitoring alarms according to the monitoring rules according to your needs and support the sending monitoring alarm notifications to mobile devices. And the best part of the Unimonitor is this, that the team is going to do some good analysis for you. Here you can see on the main platform, and you can see we will provide a set of analysis tools. You can use the tools to analyze the data transmitted by the smart contract addresses, and we will adopt the mobile terminal. You can easily operate on the mobile devices, and these type of features at this time UNT, basically the Unimonitor, is offering, and you have the chance to buy this token directly from the Uniswap exchange. Here you can see on the main platform it is entirely very easy for you to purchase the token directly from the Uniswap at this time, because the price is entirely low and the usage of this token is entirely huge. Here you can see a new thing which at this time Unimonitor is offering, where you can check all the data, 24 hours volume, liquidity, and also you can purchase this token from any exchange. Basically they are offering you for all the decentralized exchanges. So it's a great thing and great opportunity for all the users, because you can save your funds from all the scams if you are going to utilize the Unimonitor in your daily use of the trading. The entire supply of the UNT token is only 6 million, and they already burned up 4 million tokens. So it means the token supply is not as much, and definitely the price will increase very soon. And at the end of the video I will definitely do the price prediction of the UNT token. But before that you have to look around on the Unimonitor platform, and here you can see the contract address of the UNT token. And as I said before, right now this token is available on the Uniswap exchange, so you can easily purchase this token and save your other funds which you are going to buy directly from the Uniswap. Even I am going to tell you my own story. Basically I bought some coins from the Uniswap exchange, and after some time the team ran away with my funds. So if you are going to utilize the UNT and Unimonitor, definitely you will understand all the things about the Uniswap new tokens which are going to list on the Uniswap exchange, and you will purchase the best tokens which will give you some good profit. Now it's the time for the price prediction. Very soon this token will be around minimum $3 or $4 in maximum next 1 month. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, and you can purchase this coin right now if you want to make some good profit.